In the next few minutes, you will get to know about a specific niche you can enter in as a beginner graphic designer. Yes, I am talking about t-shirt designing, in which you can earn a huge profit. Like one design can be sold about 500 rupees as a beginner. For understanding this, let's go on Fiverr. Here you can see how much other designers are charging for their designs. Now I will guide you to the process of designing a t-shirt. Here I have created a t-shirt outline which is very optional. The very first step is to be very clear and specific about the design in your mind. You can copy someone, but you can always get some inspiration from the internet. There are plenty of designs on the internet if you search t-shirt designs. Get some inspiration and start designing in your mind. The second step to do is to copy the design on a paper. Be very clear about small details and colors. To visualize your design, go on a particular app you are acquiring on your laptop or computer and start tracing your creative mind on your computer. You don't need to be a pro in designing. You will be soon if you design regularly. Every day, change your style, change your preferences, get some inspiration, create your own design. Here I have created some designs which I really don't know if these are already existing or not, but these are now on my computer screen. So just get your computer and start moving your hand. Your creative mind will automatically draw a beautiful design. I do hope this video will help you a lot in starting your niche as a beginner graphic designer. In the next video, I will show you a complete detailed process of designing a t-shirt. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends.